full 5-inch turbo back straight pipe with a 10-inch axle dump tip. Tuned by SCT Livewie TS Performance Tune. 2-piece 20x10 FUEL Rampage wheels wrapped in 37 1350 20-inch Toyos. 8-inch Stage 1 Pro Comp suspension lift kit with Fox reservoir shocks. A true showstopper F-250 Lariat Southern Comfort conversion stroke with only 58,000 miles.
Guys, what's up? It's Mark. This, my friends, is a badass truck. I hope you like the beginning of the video. Stay tuned to watch the end of the video because there's gonna be more clips at the end of the video. With that said, let me tell you a little bit about it. I'm enjoying driving it, I can tell you that much. I've been driving it for a few days now. Just got it detailed out of the detail shop. I went over it today, undercoated some spots, made everything uniform, nice and clean. I taped up the Fox shocks, the Fox reservoir shocks. And with that said, let's find out more about it.
So guys, check it out. Full turn right, no rubbing or scrubbing, and full turn left, no rubbing or scrubbing either.
So this, my friends, is a 2008 Ford F-250. Ready for this? Listen closely and hear me out. F-250, 6.4 liter Powerstroke, turbo diesel, Southern Comfort edition. This truck is a Southern Comfort F-250. Southern Comfort is a company that takes the F-250s and trucks and brings them in and does a nice, fancy, cool graphic paint job with them. Makes them all nice and pretty. Does a few other options with the truck. There you have an F-250 Southern Comfort. Let's check it out. So for those of you like, no, it's not an F-250 Southern Comfort. It's not a Southern Comfort F-250. Guys, oh, I called Ford and you showed me the VIN mark and it wasn't. Well, too bad. Here's the VIN right there, guys, okay? And right there, boom, manufactured. Vehicle manufactured by Southern Comfort Conversions. Vehicle manufactured by Ford Motor Company. Model, VIN number, all the jazz right there. Cummins factory from Southern Comfort with 35 1350 20 tires on 20 by 9.5 wheels. Super, super awesome truck. This vehicle conforms to all U.S. federal applications. Some screws, something apply. Yeah, I tried to sound like cool, like those telemarketer infomercial guys. But with that said, guys, it's a kick-ass truck. It's got the cab lights. It's got aftermarket. Not even Southern Comfort didn't put these on. These are beyond that, okay? Let's go in depth on this truck. It's got a Pro Comp suspension lift kit on it with Fox reservoir shocks. Awesome setup. Really, really cool and tough. Clean as hell. Super really nice. Really, really duper super nice. With a set of 20 by 10 FUEL Rampage wheels, 2-piece, mind you, 2-piece, chrome center, black barrel, machined rivets on a, ready? TOYO Open Country MT 37 1350 20 monstrous tire. This is a 6.4 liter turbo diesel Lariat, Southern Comfort. All right, now on with the rest of the truck. Rear shocks, Fox reservoir rear shocks. Full, ready? Full 5-inch. Full 5-inch. You guys are seeing that right. Full 5-inch turbo back axle dump exhaust with a massive, oh my God, let's get in really close on this one. I can fit my head inside here. Guys, my head is inside of this friggin' exhaust tip. That's how massive it is. It's gotta be like a basketball size. I would say like a 12-inch exhaust tip. So a 5 to a 12-inch exhaust tip. You got AFE diff covers front and rear, okay? Let's go up to the front again. Stay with me now. You got dual steering stabilizer Pro Comp shocks, AFE front diff cover. I mean, list goes on and on and on and on and on. It's a super nice truck. I'm gonna have more details and better stuff about it. Recon cab lights and mirror lights and bed cover. The interior is immaculate. No sunroof, all LED lights. The mileage, here's the best part, ready? No rust on the door frame or nothing like that. You do have your typical rust on the bed rails and stuff like that under here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It does have your typical, you can't see it's getting dark. Golly, getting dark. You do have your typical rust there. So I'm gonna move around with the back of the truck. Small dent right there, my dent guy's coming out to fix that. Leonard bed cover, bed cap. And under here, oh my God, let me show you if I can lift it. It's heavy as hell. BEDRUG, brand new, clean as hell, BEDRUG bed cover with locking Leonard cap, matching. I mean, it's an awesome truck. This is a Lear 700 bed cap. Gas caps are beautifully, nothing wrong with them. Fox reservoir air shocks, like I was telling you guys. The back's great, wood grain. I mean, it's just a really awesome truck. It really is. The frame's in good shape. There's no rust on the frame. You can kind of see right there. It's getting darker, so I gotta make the video quick. And it's just, it's nice. Folding mirrors, extendable and folding mirrors. And it's just a nice truck to drive. Let's take a look under the hood and see what we got going on, because that is your bigger surprise. You ready? Livewie TS, okay? It's got an SCT tuner on it. It's got, let's go under the hood and check it out. Bully dog, or not bully dog, holy shit, I'm going too fast because it's getting dark out. Excuse me for the video action, guys. I'm gonna have to make this real quick. Ready? Sinister Diesel cold air intake. It's got let me see, Sinister Diesel air filter, all brand new. Brand new. Sinister Diesel charge pipe. I mean, everything, the list goes on and on and on and on. The fluid's in good shape. Everybody gets nervous about these 6.4s, but honestly, if they're taken care of right and they're built right, I mean, you really got nothing to worry about if you know, confident on your maintenance and keeping up on your stuff. Let's take a look under more of the hood. I'm gonna put the list of exactly what's done to this truck, specifics, everything. I mean, up to like there's like new ball joints and a few other different new stuff on here, but I'll put it in the description. Click the title of this truck, you'll see like ROLLIN 6.4 or whatever I name it. I forget what I'm gonna name it. But look at the title, you'll see it. And it's got some goodies on it, it really does. So hope you like the video. I'm gonna end the video here now because I gotta do pictures. And this is Mark, this is the tripod. That's my tripod. Just kidding. That's my tripod right there. So hope you guys like it. This is Mark signing out with the 2008 Ford F-250 Lariat Southern Comfort 6.4 liter turbo diesel Powerstroke with reservoir Fox shocks and a Pro Comp lift kit. I know you guys are gonna go crazy over this one. So holler at me, signing out. There's probably more I forgot to list on this, but I gotta get, honestly, it's getting dark out. Gotta get pictures. Pictures are my best important part. You guys are on the video side. Subscribe, hit the notification button. This is Mark, signing out. Stay tuned now. Boom. I know what you guys wanted, so here it is. A slow motion rolling coal takeoff. Listen to the turbo spool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, tell your friends, and once again, thanks for watching.